Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful smushy and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this pink by Salon Perfect called Good Vibes Only, yellow by Sinful Colors called Let's Meet, this hot pink polish by Creative Play called Very Shocking, white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, and this blue by Orly called Snow Cone. So I'm going to apply pink polish onto a sandwich bag. You can use any flat surface that you want. I like to use a sandwich bag because it's really easy and simple and quick to get rid of once you no longer need it. And I'm going to apply white, blue, yellow, and the hot pink onto this pink. Now, I could have did a white base coat, but I decided to do the pink background. There's no real rhyme or reason to it. I just wanted to do it like this. Then I'm going to use my water marbling tool, and I'm just going to kind of mix the colors together, and then using my nail stamper, I'm going to mix it and create the smooshy. I'm going to wait a few seconds, and I'm going to apply a bigger stamper to pick up the whole design, as you can see, and I'm going to put it onto my nails. You can pick any side you want. I wanted to do this kind of wavy-ish looking smushy design. Then using my Buitee BC-05 nail plate, I'm going to apply black and hollow polish onto my smushy design. Now, I really didn't want to add the hollow, but I just thought it looked so plain. And I just thought adding the hollow just gave it more of a bling look to it. I liked it. It did come out cute. It kind of covered my smushy design, but I did like how the hollow pops when you apply it onto the black. You don't have to add the hollow, but I did. And the hollow I'm using is Don't Harp on It by Color Club. Once I'm done, I'm going to remove the liquid latex, clean around my nails, pull off some of that polish, clean around my nails. I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple to do. I love doing smushy designs because you can go crazy with the colors. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.